Hello Albee, this is my shop, and it's where I repair speedboats, especially the engines. I am a special engineer for outboard and inboard engines. So this is my workshop. And my tools. And my office, and the box where the welding machine came in from you. And thank you for the Lao Bao Shu Tao gloves. And these are the parts that came with it. And this little part was broken into. This is not a big problem. And this is the welding, stick welding holder, broken in many pieces. And this is the fan that was making all the noise. It's broken like this. And the little nylon back that was opened, and this is why every one of these parts was loose in the box. This is my magnet that will not work on aluminum, and the machine that you sent me is here, and this is not an aluminum casing, if the magnet can pick it up. So again, no problem, don't worry about it. And this is me, and I will show you that this machine doesn't work. Socket 240 volts. I have connected the ground to a piece of metal that I have worked with a plasma cut, in which I put the electrode like this, and then the small cover like this, and then the tip like this, and then this cover like this. And it did work very, very well for about 3 minutes, and I did this small experiment here. Connect the air. I will have here about maybe less than 50 psi. I want to show you first that the stick welding works. So stick welding in the middle, piece of electrode, machine on. The new fan comes on, you can listen to it. Green light here, green light on this side, green light in there, on the small power supply is on. Everything good. I will bring it down to about 80 amps, and it works. So the stick welding works. This means that I have a good ground. Now for the plasma cut, down, if I put the machine on again, and now it's in plasma cut, and give it maybe a few amps, every time I will press this, you can see inside the machine. I will show you on the other side. Small contact. And every time I will try to make a start, nothing happens. And I want to show you that the fan, every time I touch the metal, goes lower. But here, nothing happens. This is the first also. Only very, very small spark happens. So, I will bring my multimeter. 600 volts DC, and check the power that goes from check the power from the power supply board that comes out of this plug and goes up on the main board. A reading of 300 and maybe 40 volts. Or maybe less. The problem is that I have the red terminal on the black and the black terminal on the red, and I don't know why polarity reversed. Now, this LED is on. This side, this LED is on. At the front, this is off. Everything looks okay. There is another small LED you can see on the power supply is on. I have checked all the main big bars inside. They are well connected on the board as well. I checked all the small plugs. I checked every wire and every socket. They are all good. I don't know what else to check. Please help me fix the machine. I need it. Have a nice day. Albee, this is my shop, a workshop. Machine came in from. Thank you for the stick welding holder, and this is the fan that was making all the noise. That was opened, and this is why this is will not work on aluminum, on steel. And the machine, so again no problem. And this is me, and I will okay. So that I have worked with plasma like this, and then the small cover like this, and it did work very, very well for about connect. If I turn that the stick welding works. So green light here, green light on this side, and now for the plasma cut, if I put the machine on again, and now it's in plasma cut. This and I want to show you the fan every time I touch the metal, but here not. So 600 volts DC power from the power supply board. I have the red terminal on the black at the front. I don't know what else to check.